Hot weather is expected to continue as we head into Thursday. In fact, it will likely be the hottest day of the week. And when we talk about a heat advisory, usually for 2 consecutive days, we're talking about heat index values of 105 plus. We're going to resort to the second standard here, which is going to say that we may see temperatures 103 or higher. That will likely happen as we head into our Thursday afternoon actual air temperatures. And since the air is drier, it'll actually feel like the air temperature out there. We aren't in excessive heat warnings, but northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, they could see highs higher than 105 degrees. So the heat is on around here. You can see our heat advisory now encompasses all of central Texas and the Brazos Valley as we head into Thursday. So it's going to be a hot one out there. There's your excessive heat warning west of Fort Worth. But again, the hottest of it's probably going to be just to our northwest, but it's going to be plenty toasty around here. The high temperatures topping out around 104 on Thursday. Look at that drop on Friday, back down to 99 degrees. Some more clouds around, and we'll start to get a northeast wind behind a weak frontal boundary. So hopefully that will bring things down, and there could be a slight chance of an isolated storm Friday evening and Saturday evening as well. Then back up to 100 on Sunday, and we're just going to kind of flirt with 100 degrees as we make our way through next week. So again, tomorrow definitely the hottest day, as our heat dome is going to be centered right over the center part of the state, and that's where we reside. So that's where we get the most intense heat. This will shift a little farther back to the west as we get closer to the weekend, again allowing for those slightly cooler temperatures across the region. Here's how your future track shakes out as we make our way into Thursday. Not much happening around here, mostly sunny skies, and that's about it. Debbie will continue here across the eastern part of the U.S., so if you have any plans to go up the eastern seaboard over the next couple of days, again, you're going to have to check those flights as we may have some delays over there. Then as we make our way into Friday, a few isolated thunderstorms could be possible by Friday afternoon and evening across the region. So there's one little boundary coming in. And then as we make our way into Saturday, again, maybe an isolated storm threat or two. But I think as we make our way into Sunday, a lot of that will be off to our northeast. These aren't great rain chances. We're talking 20% here, but at least it's a little something to help us out, maybe with a little bit of glimmer of hope for a couple of folks out there. So for tonight, temperatures will work their way down into the middle 70s. So we do get a little bit of relief at night, but during the day, this is where it's plenty hot. 104 tomorrow for Waco and Hamilton, 102 in Temple, 103 Killeen. And we're going to go about 101 in Bryan College Station as well. That could be your first 100-degree day. And looking at your forecast, 104 goes back down to 99 on Friday. Slight chances for thunderstorms Friday evening and Saturday evening. It's only 20%, so don't count on much. As we get into Sunday, 100 degrees for a high, partly cloudy skies. And then it's looking pretty much hot and dry as we roll through another August week next week. Highs will be in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees pretty much each and every day. And for the Brazos Valley, 101 on Thursday, 99 on Friday, 99 Saturday, and we'll keep those upper 90s around as we go through next week. Of course, a little more humid here, so it'll all feel about the same. Lows at night will be into the upper 70s with partly cloudy skies.